Introducing the Mega Hornet 2000, a heavy-duty CNC plasma cutting machine built from heavy-gauge steel for unmatched strength, accuracy, and uptime. Swivel-mounted for space savings and easy access, the operator station is built for efficiency. Transferring files is fast and simple thanks to the integrated USB port, giving your team quick access to job files without slowing down production. At the core is the proven Hypertherm CNC control system, backed by Phoenix motion control software. Operators get an intuitive interface with built-in cutting intelligence to reduce setup time and maximize cut quality. For fast and accurate part alignment, the crosshair laser provides precise visual targeting, streamlining workflows and reducing errors before the cut. Add the plasma Contour Bevel system to create 360-degree bevels up to 45 degrees. Built to take the hit, the Mega Hornet 2000 rides on 85-pound, floor-mounted machined rails, delivering rock-solid performance and long-term reliability even in high-impact environments. Precision comes standard thanks to digital AC servo motors that deliver smooth, responsive motion for every job, large or small. And with dual linear ways on every axis, the machine offers superior motion control, speed, and cut accuracy even under heavy loads. From structural fabrication to complex profiles, the Mega Hornet 2000 combines brute strength with refined performance, delivering results that lower your cost per part, minimize downtime, and keep you cutting strong. Hornet Cutting Systems. Built rigid. Runs clean. Works hard.